my friends, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have look up Vechain coin. What's the price change goes in the Vechain coin? What's the current status of Vechain coin, and what's the next target of Vechain coin? A lot of people ask me these questions, so I will give you answer of this question and this video, friends. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Please don't ignore my words. Please kindly subscribe my channel, friends. Now, friends, if we look the price predictions of the Vechain coin of the last one day, that is a live price prediction of 16 April. You are watching now on the screen, friends. Now, friends, if we look the price change occurred in the Vechain coin in the last one day, so the change occurred in the Vechain coin is 6.9%, and the high price of the Vechain coin is about 0.192089 USD dollar. Is the high price of Vechain coin in the last one day period, friends. Now, friends, if we look the graph of the Vechain coin, so as you can see here, continuously fast occur in the Vechain coin. In the previous 2 days, 2 hours, they take a jump. In the last 2 hours, they last 18 hours, they continuously fast occur in the theta market. If we look averagely, so averagely they fast down. As you can see here, fast down, occurs in the Vechain coin, friends. That's mean that the Vechain coin goes down, friends. Yes, it's right. The Vechain coin goes down. It's a dumping period of the Vechain coin starts now from the last one day. Now, friends, how can we detect the next target, the next what's going next in a Vechain coin? So it's easy for all of you. That, as you can see here, the previous continuously half day they fast down. As you can see here, fast occur, only fast occur, and theta nerve. A little jump occurs, but after a little jump they again falls down very highly. That is, if we look the averagely change. So as you can see here, averagely change, as you can see here. Now, friends, if we look the averagely change like that, though, that is the highest level of Vechain coin, and that is the current level of the Vechain coin, let's suppose. And now, friends, if we look the averagely change, so averagely change is in fast. So that means that this is a falling period of the Vechain coin, friends. Now, friends, what's next in a Vechain coin? That's easy for all of you. That, as you know, the previous continuously one day period occurs in the falling of the Vechain coin. Small a little fast occur in the Vechain coin. So now in the future, the little fast occur in the Vechain coin. There is a lateral fast again occurs in the Vechain coin. A continuously fast occurs in the Vechain coin. About 4 to 5 hours, a continuously fast occurs in the Vechain coin, and after this fast, they take a high explosion. They take a after this fast, the again jumping period of the Vechain coin starts. So now at this time, fasts occur for a 4 hour, 5 hour, and after this fast, they again start jumping. What's your opinion about Vechain coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe. Subscribe is very important for all of you, because I will give you latest updates about Vechain coin. So please subscribe now, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much.